Are serviced apartments better? Let's get started.
Welcome. Today, I'll present our serviced apartment to you. If you've any question, please feel free to raise out anytime.
Sure. Thanks for your introduction.
Our serviced apartment is a modern 40-story high-rise building. We've several room types to suit your need. They're studio, 1-bedroom, and 2-bedroom.
I'm still considering if serviced apartment or hotel is a better option for me.
How long will you stay in the city?
I would like to have short-term stays, probably 2 months.
There are so many benefits when staying at our apartment. We make you feel you are at your second home.
It's lovely.
We've bigger floor space than traditional hotel room. You can live comfortably with privacy in a spacious environment.
Based on the floor plan, 2-bedroom may be more suitable for my family.
Your family can live a quality of life without worrying about the accommodation and facilities.
Great. It's my previous concern.
If you'll stay for 2 months, we can offer you a special discount. The monthly rent is well worth it.
Are furniture and appliances provided?
Each residence is a spacious and relaxing living space with stylish design. It's furnished with modern appliances. Our aim is to provide a feeling of comfort and warmth to our guests. You can move in with your baggage without any hassle.
What are the fittings in the rooms?
Please rest assured. Each of the residents comes equipped with all the modern amenities. For the living room, we've sofa, storage cabinets, dining table and chairs. Electrical appliances include television, air conditioning, heater, and electronic safe. For the bedroom, premium mattress and built-in wardrobe are provided. You'll feel relaxing after a stressful day of work.
How about kitchen?
It's fitted with modern appliances, including refrigerator, steam oven, washing machine, cooking utensils, and wine fridge. Your wife can make use of the fully functional kitchen. If you stay at hotel, you can only order room service or dine out. It's costly and unhealthy. In addition, you have no choice but to pay for laundry service at hotel. It will also increase your expenditure. You can invite your friends to the apartment for enjoying the meals. You and your friends can relax and talk in the privacy of your own apartment.
It's a great idea. My wife enjoys cooking very much.
To raise the customer experience, we've adopted smart home technologies. High-speed Wi-Fi, Bluetooth speaker, and electronic door lock are installed for each unit. You can't imagine how convenient the life would be when staying in our apartment.
I'm more interested to know your services. What services are covered?
We offer 24-hour concierge and security services. Our maid and linen services are provided by our professional and caring colleagues. We make up your bed and vacuum your apartment regularly. We can help collecting mail and parcel, as well as calling taxi. We create a new caliber of metropolitan living. Our facilities include 24-hour gym, swimming pool, barbecue area, and rooftop garden. You can also enjoy the panoramic sea view at our lounge.
How long does it take to the airport?
Our apartment is situated close to the central business district and equipped with advanced transportation network. You can take the express train to the airport in only 30 minutes. Our apartment is also surrounded with supermarkets, convenience stores, banks, and restaurants. They're all within walking distance. We offer flexible lease terms. You can adjust your duration of stay around your timeline. If you'll stay for 2 months, we offer more value for your money, in addition to cost savings.
What are covered for the rental fee?
Our monthly rental fee includes management fee, utilities, Wi-Fi, TV channels, housekeeping, and linen. Do you have any questions? Will you be interested?
Thanks for your information. I'll compare the price of different serviced apartments and hotels. I'll get back to you.
Our apartment is the ideal fit for your family. You can also read the reviews from our previous guests. The comments are positive, covering the quality of the apartment, the level of customer services, and the overall customer experience.
How's the procedure of renting the room type of 2-bedroom?
Please let us know your expected staying period and the commencement date. We'll check our availability and can further discuss with you shortly. The rent can be effective within 1 week. For any questions, please call me anytime.
That's good. You're so efficient. I should be able to come up the decision within these 2 days. Meanwhile, can you show me the way to the train?
Sure. It's just 5-minute walk from here. You can travel to different parts of city nearby within 30 minutes.
It's awesome. Location and connectivity are both crucial to me, because I'll be engaged in meetings with my partners.
Right. It's also one of the selling points of our apartment. It can save you much of the time in traveling. Let's go and talk further. I'll show you the route.
Thank you. Let's go.